What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're taking a look here, Aerodrome Finance / USD daily chart. It is the 16th of August. It's 5:02 a.m. on the East Coast. So we're getting a little bit of a cooling off here on the chart. We spoke about that a couple days back. We had a target as markets were moving higher on Tuesday, Wednesday. My next target above the 120 was $1.39, and it's doing, very normal action here. It reached that price target, and we're kind of just hanging out here for a little bit. So again, I don't know how long this will hang out here. Okay, ideally you want to see a close. Once we get a close above 139, we did have one. We had a close at 138 on the 13th, so we haven't closed above this 139. When we get a close above that 139 level, that could tell us that, hey, this market might be ready for continuation to the upside. Depending on what markets do here, if we pull back down to 120 as support, we did test that pretty quick here on the 14th. We hit a low of 122, so very close, and then we rallied up, breaking out above it on the 15th, which was yesterday, Friday. Today we're sitting very quiet. We have an inside day today, inside price range, inside the previous day, which would be the 15th. So although we do have a higher daily, higher low today, we also have a lower high. We're inside yesterday's range, so really nothing to take away. No major selling, but also no major buying, just very quiet here. Hanging out right under the 139. So again, what I'll be looking for here as we head into the weekend here, I want to see a close above 139. And then I'd be looking for my next target, which is 153, right up here, 153. And then above that, actually use the fibs to get this level, which is not how I use the charts. But I did for this example would be $1.75, 175. So 153, once we break above, if we break above 139, 153, and then $1.75 right up here. If markets, pull back for whatever reason, looking for 120, and then below that is 111. Nice strong continuation up here in price. We have the 50-day moving higher. We have the 200-day starting to round off here and head higher. Again, not surprised to see this thing cool off right at this level. It's made a big move. We're getting a little extended from the 50-day. All good, guys. All is good here for Aerodrome Finance. Also, if we look left on the chart, we have some previous trading in this area. We have resistance in this area in the past. This used to be support, flipped into resistance. So to see price kind of cool off here after making a very large run here. Let's say take from the low to the high. Yeah, we'll call it a 100% move. And let's see here, 100% move in, what is this, about 13 days, 2 weeks? 100% move in 12 days. I mean, if you wrapped up your year at that, boy, you'd be killing it. So again, it's all what we're seeing here is normal. I wouldn't worry too much. So that's going to close it up for the chart. Just a quick recap. Once we close above 139, let's keep an eye on 153, 175. If the market gets a little hot here today to the downside, 120, 111 for support. Today's candle, quiet trading inside yesterday's range. Not bullish, not bearish. It just is what it is. Things are quiet here. Let's head over to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance chart had I guess you can consider it a bullish engulfing candle, although it didn't close that strong. It did take out the high and the low from the previous day and closed up. So we'll see if just a slight pause before the selling continues. Let's head over to the Bitcoin chart. BTC, USD, Coinbase is the data. This candle is very concerning. It's very bearish. It's no good. Although we do have support above 116,834. Not sure what's going to happen here with Bitcoin. That candle did some damage. Not so quick to bounce back either. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap fear and greed's at a 57. So a little bit of fear came in off that sell-off a few days back. And then the altcoin season is at a 41. So heading in the right direction, but it's got a long way to go. So, history tells us that we should be heading into alt season, but time will tell, if and when that does happen. Guys, all links are down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Of course, not financial advice. What do you think Aerodrome is heading to next? You think this thing's a little bit overheated right now? We're going to pull back to 120, maybe even 111? Or are we going to get a breakout today above 139, taking us up to 153? You guys, let me know. Thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, join us here in the channel. If you're interested in the memberships, there's a link down below for those interested. Have a great Saturday.